Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Ipsy for July. So this is the new box. I was surprised to see it here because it wasn't supposed to come for a few days. So, and it's very, very hot here, as you can tell, so here's the new box. What do you think? It's pretty. I mean, I like the colors. It's cute, It says some things right here. It says Glam Bag, Boxycharm, Icon Box, and Refreshments. So that's all we're gonna get, a Boxycharm. Why doesn't the box say Boxycharm by Ipsy? Because that's what I get. Not really, because really what I get is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus without the bag. That's what I get. I was just talking to someone about this just a few minutes ago. I'm very upset because it's like someone has passed away in my life. Boxycharm is no longer. The Mega Drop Shop is going on right now. What do you think of it? They had like 800 products in there on Monday, and then they've added, today there was over 1,000. The prices are not good. I bought a couple things, but you have to really know your prices, and you have to really know what kind of discounts we used to get. Anyway, I did cut the seal, and let's get in here. Let's see what they sent me. Now the box, I don't know why they did this, but they did the box the same way as they did the other box. It just collapses. That's not a good box. Anyway, here is, okay, what I'm getting here says Boxycharm. This says July 2023, The Great Escape. Okay, so on here is just, there's not much information. It tells you a little bit about Ipsy, Boxy, the Power Picks. The Power Picks, I don't know how they decide who gets the Power Picks, but yeah, they pick two things for you. It's supposed to be Power Picks. I'll show you mine. And there's just some information on there. Okay, all right, okay. Camille, don't be playing with things. Okay, this is my stuffing. I don't know what good that did. Okay, let's see what I got. The Power Players, okay. I did get a little add-on. I got one little add-on. Okay, see how this box is? It just collapses, so. All right, let's see. What Ipsy chose for me, what they claim are Power Players. They show, the Power Players, they show us spoilers, and you get your heart set on something. Don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. The Natasha Denona palette, I had my heart set on that. This wasn't even in the Power Players spoilers, but this is what they sent me. So this is a very big, giant palette. It's heavy. It's the Ciate London Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. It's very pretty. Let's see. It's valued at $45. It is pretty. So I'm not going to complain about it, but to me, Ciate London is not a Power Player. It just isn't. What do you think? Okay, so here it is, and if Camille would move, there's a nice mirror on one side. It's very beautiful. Okay, to me, palettes are always more beautiful in person than they are in a picture because you really get to see the detail and what exactly is what. There's a lot of shimmers in here. And there's really pretty colors in here. I don't know if you can see how beautiful this is because, yeah, it's really, really pretty. There's a lot, okay, there's mattes, there's shimmers. They're beautiful. Now, some of them look like they're touched, which I know they're not. See, like this one looks like it's been touched, but that's just the way it's packaged. It's not touched, I know that. But look at this beautiful, it's a beautiful summer palette. It's very much like you're in the desert. So, okay, it's beautiful. I was wanting the Natasha Denona palette, so, so I was a little disappointed, but that is very beautiful. All right, I'm putting that aside. The second, that is valued at $45. Camille is making a mess. The second Power Player item that they sent to me is the Earth Harbor Naturals Marina. This one is the Brightening Ampule. It has the spirulina and blue tansy. It's really very pretty. I've had it before. I like it just fine. It's very, very nice. Look at how pretty it is. Okay, Camille, you're going to have to behave because I'm trying to work here. I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do a show. It's very beautiful. It's an oil. You know, it has a dropper bottle. It's very beautiful. It's very nice. It's the oils from Earth Harbor. They're thin. They're nice and thin. They go on very nice. It's a serum that you would use before your moisturizer, and that is valued at $38. Okay, Camille, please. And then, all right, now we start with my choices. Choice number one for me. I had the choice of a Purlisse exfoliator, which I would have gotten, but right now I have several exfoliators on hand, so I did not need it. I have a couple in my shower that I have opened, and then I have some more, so I just didn't need it. But Purlisse, I like that brand. Then there was Origins brand, a rescue mask, which whenever anything says rescue or that kind of thing, it's usually for blemishes, in my opinion, when you read about it. There was a N-E-N brand of something, and I don't know what it was. Maybe a highlighter? I'm not really sure what it was. There was Kate Somerville. Now, that is a power player, but it was for acne. It was an exfoliator. It was one of her, Kate, what's it called? Anyway, oh my, I don't know what happened to me here. I'm sorry, y'all. Got stuff on me. Anyway, it was for acne. It clearly said it was for acne. And then there was the brand Paolo and Company. It was a hair mask. It was in a like a bag that, you know, you untwist. It looked cute, but this is what I chose because out of the choices, this was the best deal. This is the My Daily Dose of Vitamins ABC Skin Ink. Look at how gorgeous that is, y'all. This is, I've had this brand before, and what I had before, I did try to use it, and it was really like a water base. So not for me. This is sealed, which is nice. Look, it has that little metal seal on it. This is gorgeous to look at. Absolutely gorgeous to look at. I lost a nail. All right, Camille, you've got to stop. Help me. Okay, this is a serum. This is a serum, and it says unlock your skin's full potential with help from this pre-blended serum that's specially formulated to help tackle all your skin woes. Packed with vitamin A, B, and C, it's like a daily multivitamin. It says it's like a daily multivitamin, decades of skin aging research, and I don't know if that goes together. Hang on. But see, now it's water-based, and it doesn't look water-based. It's thick. A lot of water-based things are not good for if you have normal to dry skin, but it's really pretty. Makes you want to use it because it's got those little beads in it. Isn't that pretty? And the bottle is what's blue. The bottle is what is blue. Gorgeous. Okay, that is $75 value. That's really why I got it, because if I can't use it, I can put it in a giveaway. It's a nice thing to put in a giveaway. Very, very nice. Okay, the next two items are unusual for me in the choices. We don't usually get these kinds of things. I have sheet masks is what I have. So the first, all right, my second choice, which is the fourth item, there was a choice of Will People brand eye gel. I never will pick an eye gel because I have 1 million eye gels, and eye gels last forever. There were two setting sprays, one by Formula Z and one by Ace Beauté. Both really nice product lines, but I don't really use setting sprays, very rarely. There was a Hava 24 karat gold mud mask, which I have some of that. And there was Shayna B. Miami bronzer. I don't use bronzers. And then there was this Sweet Dreams Collagen Glow. This is their gold eye masks, and I believe there's 5 in here. This is valued at $20. Let me get it opened. It's sealed with a little sticker. And you know, eye masks, I always love eye masks, and I can always use eye masks because I use them often. I haven't tried these. I haven't had this brand. It's Sweet Dreams, Glowiest it says. And this is what the package looks like. It feels, I don't know how it's in there. I can't tell. But we'll be doing this probably on a future Mask Monday, okay? And there's 5 in here, so $20 for that. So not much value there, but my box is worth $207. I paid $28 plus $1. I paid $30 essentially. $28 plus $1.99 handling fee. They say shipping is free. And then the last thing I got is this beautiful box. This is the brand ID.AZ. I don't know if you pronounce it or if you just say that. I've had sheet masks by them before, ID.AZ. This is the Gold Fit mask set. I've never had this one before, this brand. This is $29 and there's 3 in here and also sealed, which is nice. It says Gold and Honey are the ultimate power couple in this mask. We're working together to help brighten and nourish your skin. Honey's always good. And then it goes on to say there's lots of good ingredients in there, blah, 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 blah. I forgot to tell you what my choices were. My choices were the Estate brand, which actually I like Estate. I know it's not a bougie brand in my opinion, but I have it on my lips today. I love their lippies. I have gotten many of them in single swag, and yeah, they're nice lippies. In my choices, there were 2 sponges, and it said sponge, so I didn't know if you were going to get 1 or 2, but that was a choice. No, I'll never pick sponges, never. There was Lucky Chick brand, a multi-stick that was for your cheeks and for your lips, and it might have been also for your eyes. There was Misco Beauty. There was a lip balm. I have 1 or 2 Misco Beauty lip balms going right now. I do like them, they're nice. There was the brand Wing Me. There was a cleared brow gel. That's another thing that lasts forever if you have brow gel. The clear, it lasts forever. And there was only 1 makeup item, and it was the Reina Ribalde. That is a newer brand that I'm new to me, fairly new to me. I've seen it recently in Ipsy, and it was a lip crayon, you know, the kind you sharpen. I just have too many, so I didn't get that. So this is valued at $28, and let's see, I did get it open, I think. And I know this brand is a good brand, so yeah, this looks just like the box. So it's a sheet mask you leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, so we'll probably do this in a future Mask Monday. So that is my Ipsy. I'll take pictures and put on Instagram. We have the sheet masks, we have the eye masks, we have the Skin & Co. Very nice serum, which I just want to use because it's so pretty. But water-based, I probably won't use it. There is the beautiful Marina, also a gorgeous blue. All these pretty colors for summer. The beautiful Marina, which I have used before, and I really like that. You can see it's very thin, you know, so. And then there is the Ciate London Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette, which for some reason I put back in the box. It's very beautiful, and I'll show you what my little add-on. I'm really surprised that this came so early. So maybe they're just really got things out because they have the drop shop going on, and that's going to be more shipping for them. And these are it really is. I will say this. It looks. How it looked on camera and how it looks on camera here is it looks dull, but it is not. If you could see it the way I'm seeing it, it's very beautiful. The terrain of the palette is gorgeous. The colors are bright and cheery, and here it looks dull. But they definitely are very much like you're in the desert. But you know, we've got these gorgeous purples over here, and these wonderful browns and things. So it's really a very pretty palette, very, very pretty. So I will not be disappointed about that. So my box is worth $207. And let me show you my little add-on. I got this because it's Seraphine Botanicals, which I do like that brand. It is a, down you go. Seraphine Botanicals has a couple of sister companies, and I used to get their monthly bag. And this is what I got. This is the, let's open it and see it. Amla, A-M-L-A Nude, Silky Nude Eyeshadow Palette. You have got to calm down. She doesn't calm down. The reason I got this was it was $3.50. And the value is $34. Seraphine Botanical products are quite expensive. And what I have from them, I like. When I was getting their monthly box, I loved it. The products, you know, you get 4 products, and I think it's $21 a month or so. Putting her down like she's she's knocked everything down. Anyway, here it is. It's very beautiful. $3.50 for a beautiful little palette. In the picture, it does look like it has some pink to it, and it doesn't have pinks to it at all. It's definitely browns, definitely neutral browns. I thought it was a little bit of a rose going on, but it isn't that way at all. So $3.50 for a nice little Seraphim Botanical $34 palette. So you may see that in the future giveaway if I can find the box. Otherwise, I'll be using it. I may use it. I do have all of my palettes that I got in there. I got their subscription box for maybe 9 months or so, 8 months, something like that, and I really enjoyed it. But then I, just swapped up to get something else. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by to see my Ipsy. I'm very excited that it's here, and I love Ipsy. I'm disappointed in Boxycharm, but I do still love my Ipsy. And so thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got. And I hope y'all are finding something in the Mega Drop shop to buy. And it is better than the first one. This is the second one that Ipsy's doing. So I'm hoping that in future it'll keep getting better. So yeah, I'm hoping. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.